best swimming pool filter on the market in 2021 anywhere on earth is AFM three-stage activated glass filters from Dr. Dryden. These filters are incredible. They're better than sand, they're better than DE, they're better than cartridge filters. Lot less money to maintain than DE and cartridge, and they still have the ease of use of a sand filter. So if you're thinking of upgrading or replacing your filter on your pool, I highly suggest looking into an AFM filter. Spend the extra $200 or $300 that it costs to get a AFM filter. By the way, an AFM filter is cheaper than a lot of DE filters, but it's significantly better. Filters the water better, a lot easier to use, a lot easier and less expensive to maintain. I would suggest looking into it, at least check into it before buying your next pool filter. You can Google AFM glass filters, or you can visit lazydaypools.com if you're in the state of Georgia and you're wanting to have your filter replaced full service. If you want to upgrade your existing sand filter from sand to three-stage activated glass, you can do that on your own. You can do it by yourself, and you can purchase the AFM filter media through ZeroChlorPoolSystems.com. Either way, you're going to be shocked at how much better your water looks when you switch over to a three-stage activated glass filter. It's amazing. The product's name is AFM by Dr. Dryden, not to be confused with Activate from Dr. Dryden. There's two different products. AFM is incredible. It's the best filter that I've ever worked with in the past 17 years.